So you just got a mini bike for Christmas? Welcome to the addiction. Now, before you just start throwing parts at it, trying to go as fast as possible, there are a few upgrades that I recommend that you should do first. These parts aren't about just building a race bike, they're making sure that your mini bike is fun, safe, and reliable to ride. Let's see what we got. Hey Ollie.
What's up, man?
What 5 upgrades do you recommend I do for my mini bike?
Oh man, I think the first one you start off with is probably, I don't know, maybe a stage 1 kit?
The stage 1 kit is going to come with an adapter, a bigger air filter, and a bigger jet. From the factory, these engines are going to come pretty restricted. Now this allows it to just breathe more, get more gas in, and it's going to add about 2 to 3 more horsepower to your engine.
Oh, Jason, I actually think this would also be a really good upgrade. That's going to be your 35 gold on gold chain.
Boom. The next thing you can do is you can upgrade your chain. A lot of beginners forget this move. With a gold on gold chain or a gold on natural chain, if you get something that's for high performance, it's going to not only last longer, but it's going to last a whole lot better. It's not going to wobble on you. And it's one of those you set it and forget it. With your regular chains, you're going to see a bunch of slop in it after a while. You're going to have that chain stretch. But if you get high performance chain, this will definitely save your hiney on the road ahead.
Oh, man, I actually just remembered, you probably want to throw on this 22mm Mikuni kit too.
Man, okay. So you already checked out the stage 1 kit. You're going to need a little better throttle response. I'm going to go with a 22 Mikuni. Talking about throttle response, this is going to be great, especially if you have a stage 2 kit. It's going to be highly tunable, easy to put on. You're not having to open up your engine, but this is a great addition to any engine.
Now that I'm thinking about it, man, while you've got all this stuff, the torque converter I think would get you a lot more low end too.
All right, one of the must-haves on any mini bike is going to be a torque converter. You're no longer going to be stressing out just the chain. Now this is a belt drive system added to the side of your engine. This is going to be great for low-end torque, so imagine going up Mega Moto Mountain or any type of big hills. You're going to want a torque converter. If you were going to run just a traditional clutch and chain setup, you're most likely going to stress your clutch out. So a torque converter is definitely the best way to go. It's going to have great throttle response as well. You're going to be able to ease in and out of your acceleration, and it's going to give you pretty good top end speed as well.
Oh, and now that you've got all this stuff, the only way that you're going to be able to stop is if you add a front end brake kit. Here you go, man.
All right, so with all these parts, we have added more performance, more speed. Now with more speed, you're gonna want more control. And I think a front brake kit is gonna be the way to go. Rear disc brakes, that's definitely good, but out in the front, you're gonna have more control, more stopping power, and that's gonna be key going down any kind of treacherous hills, or just if you're blowing at 60, 70 miles an hour, you need to be able to stop on a dime. So front brake kits, definitely a must.
And now that you've got all this, you just need a rider.
Okay. And there we have it, folks, the top 5 upgrades for your mini bike. Just to recap, we got the stage 1 kit to get you 2 to 3 more horsepower for that stock engine. We're gonna have reliable chain, something that's not going to stretch out on you and going to last you quite a long life. We have the 30 series torque converter. Now you're not just stressing out a clutch and a chain whenever you're going up Mega Moto Mountain. You have a torque converter that's going to help you climb all those treacherous hills and give you a great low end torque. We have the next up, the 22 Mikuni carburetor. This is going to be great for throttle response, especially if you're going to have to take out your engine's governor to reach those higher RPMs, but this carburetor is going to allow you to do that. And if you're going to go super fast, you're going to want to stop super fast as well. So you're going to want to pick up a front brake kit for your mini bike. You can check all this out at GoPowerSports.com. I'll see you at the next race.